sometimes the reason why I would get bumps on my chest is because of eating too much protein. $5? $5? That's too much money. The world depends on eggs, and you let the world down. I feel like a hoe. So tell me why my ass is itching.
Ho, ho, ho.
Afternoon. It is 2:19 and I have unsweetened almond milk and my little, I put some strawberry cream cheese. It's been sitting in the refrigerator forever, so I need to use it. So that has like 5 carbs in it, with two tablespoons equals 5 carbs, and you know, eggs and sausage really ain't no carbs. So the things that people have to go through just to lose weight. Probably I should get out this sun. So, how y'all been doing? I hope everything is well, everything is going good on y'all end. I literally sent the video out, sent the video out today, and only had 4 hours of sleep today. This is really good. And you know the toast is keto bread. So, and you know I don't like my eggs scrambled. Well, now I don't. So I'm just trying to not eat scrambled eggs for a long time. I've been eating them my whole life. So, yeah, Butters. I hate when I eat and just feel like something stuck right here, you know? I hate that feeling. I'm on Victoria's Secret, right? And I just got off the phone with them. Not like 10, 15 minutes ago or whatever. So I go to Google, right? I put tank top sleepwear because I need some new sleepwear, right? And this is poor lighting. Oh my God. Like Google, it says that the tank top is $12.58 at checkout. I go on VictoriaSecret.com and they saying that it's $20 for just, this is what I want. I'm feeling some type of way because I don't think it should be $20. They shouldn't be selling this for $20. Now that looked really nice to walk around in. It looks very comfortable, but $20? The reason why I clicked on it because I thought it was $12. So I don't think I'm gonna order it. It ain't, come on now. I can get 3 of them for under what, $50, and you're, I don't know, I can't even eat this last piece, y'all. Every time, it happens every freaking time I eat. I be trying to eat my entire plate. I mean, this was all this. Well, I feel like I'm about to throw up. Maybe I must have ate too fast. Victoria's Secret, right? And then he was like, oh, we can't honor that. And I'm like, but on Google it says $12.58. Y'all need to do something about that. I ate this smoothie and it's just watery and I don't like it. So here I am pouring out more smoothie. Let me taste this one because maybe that one was just too watery. I don't know. It's like it's missing something. And what the hell, man? I need to go and order them things from, shoot. I'm sick and tired of, I'm always looking freaking sloppy on camera. I be showing y'all all types of stuff. Ugh. That's another reason. I'm throwing all that out. I hate spitting stuff out. I just hate that. Ugh, now it's all up in my mouth. So tell me why my ass is itching. I was constipated for like, I think it was like a week ago. Then I turned around and got constipated like 3-4 days ago or something like that. And then it made, not my booty hole, but like right off the booty hole, it made it itch. So I'm driving, I'm like, oh my God, my damn butt crack is itching. Not the butt crack, but the skin right next to your hole. And it's just it's such a discomfort. It really is. So I'm using this Preparation H because, girl, 1
hour later.
All right, as bad as I want to wear my Crocs, I cannot wear them because it makes me feel like a bum. It really does. Ugh. I mean, eventually I'm gonna go back to them, but not today. So I'm just putting my white Nikes on. I'm wearing the exact same thing I wore to work earlier. So, oh well. This is me about to go out. And that Preparation H is helping. I sure don't feel itchy. Where are my earrings? Now, I can't go nowhere without no damn earrings. Now, I got to have some type of accessories. Something to make me feel like I'm a girl. So, I know they all upstairs, too. He was like, how long is it going to take you to get out the door? You know you take a long time to get out the door. Because he ain't ate all day. But he made sure his car was clean, though. So, wait, I want these in my ear. I do be wearing the same earrings over and over. And I got so many. Now I feel like a girl. Lotion, I need lotion. And then I noticed that I gotta buy myself like some hoodies. Like, I can't even find my Nike hoodie. And I don't want to wear the one I go to work in, because that's for work. So I really don't have a hoodie or jacket or, well, yes I do. But those thin jackets though, I guess I put that on because I'm not putting that damn work hoodie on. I'm not. Let me turn off the light. Even though it's sunlight outside, there's still not enough light up in this house. So I got my wallet. I gotta go pick up Walmart stuff And then, yeah, so let me make sure. Oh, I got so many errands to do tomorrow. It's not even freaking funny. So it's gonna be a very busy day tomorrow. So I gotta get some paint, candy. Now I gotta get some fries because we're gonna make burgers and fries tonight. But you know me, I'm only gonna eat 4 fries. And I'm trying so hard not to cheat on my diet. And what I really want is some damn pizza.
Spiral slice bone and hamper.
Did y'all know eggs is $10? I think we got 2 packs of eggs. 2 12 dozen pack eggs for $10. But he said he's seen someone else got just 1 pack. Just 1 pack of eggs for $10. I thought that was crazy. And then I asked him, I'm like, why is the eggs so much? Because back in the day, not so long ago, the eggs were $2 a pack, or maybe even less than that, right? Oh my God, this camera! Like, dude, do your job. Stay up. The reason why the eggs are so much now is because my man was saying that there were 1 million eggs that died from bird flu. So yeah, so I guess that's why eggs are so high. But then how did it catch bird flu? Aren't y'all supposed to be protecting the eggs? Y'all had one job to do and you couldn't do it. You just couldn't do it. The world depends on eggs and you let the world down. They only had one job. One job. Slowest Chick-fil-A line ever. Where is the customer service? Where is it? They know that these people want this crack and they moving real slow. And when Chick-fil-A don't move they damn line, all they do is make it worse for themselves. This line is literally wrapped around the damn store. So they put that good crack up in here. That 1970s crack. Okay, so you want the chicken deluxe meal, right?
Yeah.
I'm really feeling for some macaroni and cheese. Yes. Can I get a chicken deluxe meal with bacon and extra tomato?
Alright.
And instead of the fries, can I get the chicken noodle soup? And what you want for the drink?
Sweet tea.
He wants sweet tea with it. And also, can I get the grilled chicken nuggets?
8 count, 4 count?
8.
Alright.
And then let me get these small mac and cheese.
With or instead of fries?
No, just by itself.
Spicy filet?
You said with fries.
Oh, was it 8 count grilled nuggets by itself?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, I had that down.
Oh,
Apologies.
okay, it's okay. Oh, that's it.
And did you get sauces or anything?
Yes, the chick. You said what?
Mayo.
Mayo and Chick-fil-A sauce.
Alright. And come name for yours?
Nikki. Yeah. Yes.
So, $22.89.
Okay, thank you.
Go to cash.
Oh shoot, I'm thinking about the other place. I forgot Chick-fil-A. You pay right here.
And you're good to go.
Okay, thank you.
Hey, it's a pleasure. Y'all, good night.
Yep, you too. Well, they make sure they say it's a pleasure, huh?
Good night, all.
I think if they should have a sign saying if they don't say it, they should give me my damn meal for free. What you think?
The damn receipt and make sure it don't say it on there.
Oh shit, I ain't getting no receipt. Do I get the receipt when I get the food?
Oh. It's been a plenty
Ooh,
of time.
I was about
That shit.
I was about to pull off without paying. I'm so ready to come home. There's too many people out here. Too many. Okay, so I got some. We did a quick order at Walmart. I did a pickup order, and I went inside. So I got me some grilled chicken patties. They were $8 and some change for 6 patties. So we'll see about these. Then I got my banana slices. I'm done with berries. I don't know about strawberries, but I'm done with berries. I got some crinkle cut fries because I'm making burgers tonight. Am I missing some food? I got my keto bread here, fresh bananas for him, some lettuce for my salads. Gotta get that every week. Some almond milk. Just don't knock it till you try it, because ain't nothing wrong with Great Value almond milk, okay? The stuff I go through for this damn camera is something else. So I'm about to put some oil in my hair. I'm trying to oil my hair more often, but I'm not the best at it. I need to that is all I do. And then it fell to the floor. Where? Okay. And I always put this that originally came with the packaging, so it won't spill in my drawers. What I do a lot more than putting oil is I spray it with leave-in conditioner. I'm about to put this wig on, and I do not need my hair itching, so definitely don't need that. Sometimes when you get bumps on your chest, well, sometimes the reason why I would get bumps on my chest is because of eating too much protein. That can happen. I ain't take my medicine all day. Ooh, shoot. Let me take the vitamins. Now I take everything else tomorrow. If my neighbors is looking, please do not look at this, because this is maybe your gift. So don't look. I warned you. Okay. So I bought these chocolates. They shouldn't be open. Should be taped down. He better not. Don't tell me he opened this box. Hold up. I know he didn't open this box. It better be taped down. Okay, it's still taped down. I was about to say. So I bought me some Lint gourmet truffles for Christmas. I can't wait to show y'all tomorrow when I pack up the bags, because I'm definitely not gonna do that tonight. It is 9:20 and he's finally about to go to bed. But I got some of these, and then I also got a bag of these, which we ate like 4 of them, and I hope I got enough for the neighbor. Dude, I'm telling you, these white chocolates are the best. So I think I might go get me another bag just because I want one. Just one. Let me see. Just 2 squares is 18 carbs, 1 fiber, 15 sugars. Well, I ate 2 of them, so. And I ate some macaroni, so I'm not eating the best tonight. And then I got some Lindor chocolates. And so I'm gonna put all these candies into a bag and to like a little cute little bag or whatever. But I thought I had got some more candy. I don't know. This is really cute. This caught my eye. I'm thinking about keeping this for myself. I'm really thinking about keeping it for myself. I love these cups. Maybe I should go back to Walmart, go get another set. This is at Walmart for $20. And this is really nice. This is really nice. I love the mugs. And you get coffee with it. So I thought that was a good deal. I was going to put that in their present boxes. So I'm making present boxes. And, you know, and then I bought these at Walmart. You get 3 of these for $2. And they Christmassy. I mean, they ain't the best, but it's $2, okay? And I also got some black paint because tomorrow, I wanted to do it tonight, but I can't, you know, shoot. I was just lazy today. I was not productive today. I didn't even exercise. So I didn't exercise Thursday. I didn't exercise Tuesday. I mean, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So I exercised Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I was doing good. I'm talking about, boy, I was doing good. And I fucked up. So, oh, and I got some ribbon for the bags. Some blue ribbon, because you know my favorite color is blue. And I still need to go to Hobby Lobby. And I got this paintbrush, because I'm going to paint the pictures, the office pictures, black, the trim black. This was $1.47, because I was looking at the other paintbrushes, even though they was real nice. I was like, $5. $5. That's too much money. But he better not eat another piece of chocolate out of here. Wow. Most likely I'm gonna have to go back and get some more chocolate because that's just not right. Bitch, why did my boots come in the mail? My boots got here. Ooh, I hope I can fit them. I hope I can fit it. Oh my God. Oh my God. I always wanted something like this. Ooh. Like this is a, hold on, let me make sure it's a size 11 now. Yes, honey, it's a size 11. Fit it. Cause you know, I ain't lost no weight on my calf muscles. I mean, you know, on my calves. Now I lost weight on my back of my leg, but I ain't lose no weight right here. So hold on. Damn, I'm gonna have to sit down, y'all. I thought I was gonna stand up. Shoot, I ain't sturdy like that. Okay, make sure my feet clean. Okay. And this is supposed to be extra wide calf. And my calves are wide as hell. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Bitch. Bitch. Oh my God. Move this damn chair out the way. I got to show. Oh my God. I always wanted some fucking heels like this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I feel like a hoe. I feel skanky. Oh my God. Hoe now, y'all. I'm a hoe. I'm a proud hoe. Oh my God, look at, oh my God, look at them. Oh my God, look how beautiful they are. Oh, you know what's gonna disappoint me? Because I'm supposed to be losing more weight and it's gonna be too big. Oh, they was only $42, y'all. They was only $42. I'm gonna wear the shit out of these. Yes, I'm gonna wear the shit out of these. And they only a 3-inch heel. Ooh, girl, I'm sliding. What? I'm sliding. Okay. I just gotta remember heel, toe, heel to the toe. Oh, I can cross my legs now, y'all. Boy, when I was fat, well, I'm still fat, but you know. But oh, yes. Oh, still waiting on my New Year's outfit. my New Year's blazer, silver blazer shirt or whatever. So I also ordered some tights. I think these are tights, or yeah, these are microfiber tights. So these should fit me. They 1 to 2 size. Yeah, I think they should fit me. But anywho, all right, let's get this hair done. Okay, I had to go upstairs to come get y'all because I was like, should I be vlogging some more? Of course you should, bitch. You know? Like, what the hell? I'm doing all this stuff and I'm not even picking up the camera. Like, I just want to get some stuff done because I'm over it of not getting a lot of stuff. I'm getting stuff done, but it just seemed like my list keep on getting bigger and bigger. It keep on piling up. But so y'all see my wig, and my wig will be on my head tomorrow. I have a lot of errands to do. I'm trying to get out the house probably about 9, maybe 10-ish, and probably be back home by 1. Fingers crossed. This is the present box that I'm going to be giving to my neighbors. I don't want to show y'all.
With a bear hug, picked me off the ground, squeezing me tight, attempted to bug me, grabbed me by the rear, said, "Love me, hug me." And all fat girls, y'all best to chill. All overweight freaks, stay off my block, cause it's ill to have a fat girl on your job.